Hi guys, and today I have a duct tape haul for all of you. So the first kind of tape I got is like this piece swirly kind of thing. It was on sale and I've never managed to get my hands on one, so I finally did and I actually like it. So yeah, one I have has also been around for a while. It's the Paris. I think it's super cute. It's kind of like a drawing kind of thing, like a sketchy thing. So I think it's really cute. So glad to get my hands on this one too before this next one isn't really duct tape. It's this Art Skills. I'm not sure if this tape's any good or not, but I liked kind of like the design on it, so I'm just gonna give it a shot. Pretty sure it's thinner, but I've never used anything but duct tape. So yeah, I think this will be cool. The next one is, or the last one I guess, is the block kind of thing. I'm not sure what it's called, but it is one of the newer ones. And I don't know, I just like the pattern, so I'm interested on how it would look on